I'm going to demonstrate the proper technique and positioning of an avian patient. For avian radiography, the use of a plexiglass plate is useful for physical restraint of the bird rather than manual restraint. For avian radiology, we don't often use calipers for getting the radiographic exposures, but if you want to, for the ventrodorsal view, you can measure from the highest point of the chest. So for the whole body ventral dorsal view of the bird is positioned in dorsal recumbency. The head is gently extended, and the use of masking tape prevents any damage to the wing, to the feathers. So we secure the neck to the plexiglass sheet, and the wings are extended laterally, and those are taped. And the spine and the sternum are superimposed over each other, and the hind legs are pulled caudally and are taped, and to secure the tail is taped. The marker is placed in the field of view. The whole body is collimated, and the primary beam is centered over the caudal aspect of the sternum. Radiographic exposures for birds depend on the type of bird and the size. For example, this one would be 45 kVp, 5 MAS to 300 MAS. And that is the whole body ventral dorsal view.